Hey everyone, welcome back to Mojo Handicrafts, and today we will be learning how to make a crate out of these ice cream sticks. So these are the ice cream sticks which I have already measured and cut in the similar way, because I have to make three sides of the crate and they should be of equal size. Then only the crate will be perfect. So you can see these are the ice cream sticks, and you can see that I have marked all the sticks, and then I've cut it and I've stuck it with the help of Fevicol. These are the three portions for the lower one, the base, and the two sides. And on the other two sides I will be sticking this. The top I have just left it rounded shape because I love to see that sides with the round shapes. So you can stick it with any glue whichever is available with you, but I have taken this Fevicol furniture glue because I feel that the sticks will be more stronger with the furniture glue. Okay, so now let me show you what next you have to do. Just stick it with the glue from all the sides and let it dry. Once it has dried, it will look like this. So now what I will do is I just wanted to give a different look, so I have taken this molded clay, and with the help of this I will be sticking some clay on all the four sides. This is how I will be doing. Stick it with the glue on all the sides and take your clay tool and give some design to it so that it looks beautiful. You must have already seen such type of crates on some of the YouTube videos, but just to give it a different style, I have taken the molded clay, and that is why I'm going to stick it on all the four corners, so to give a more creative look to my crate. And as I just love to create these wooden wooden crates, and I'm very fond of clay also. I just love creating clay craft, so I just thought, why not add my creativity into this beautiful crate. This crate reminds me of the olden days when the milk used to be delivered to the houses in these type of crates. And even when you used to go and buy the fruits in the market, the crates would be full of the mangoes or apples or whatever was available in the market. So that is why I just love this crate. It is a very tiny little crate, and in the end of the video I will be showing you how to use these type of crates, the projects, because you can make it easily, but you should know how to use it also. There are so many different ways you can utilize this very well and enjoy your craft work. Now I have made some clay embellishments also, some patterns from the silicone mold whichever I had, and now I will be sticking it with the Fevicol. So let's stick some Fevicol and stick it on the crate. So you can stick it once it dries also, but it won't give a nice finish, because once the clay dries it becomes hard and you cannot push it down to the wood or to the shape where you want to stick it. So it's better always to stick the clay when it is still wet, 50% wet at least. So now let me show you what all I have done. You can see that I have added a beautiful border also in front of the crate, and I have also these corners I have made some holes where I will be sticking gold studs to give it a look of a nail. And as you can see, I have also added some initials of my name, and this is how it will look. Now the next step is that you have to go ahead and paint it. So just I want to show you the closer look. So now we will first give it a main coat to the crate. So I have taken pista green, that was a chalk paint, and after finishing that I will be taking this copper acrylic color, and to give it a nice metal look, I will just rub my fingers on the clay part which I had stuck on the crate. So I have painted with acrylic black color first, and now I will be spreading all over the copper acrylic color. See, this is how it will look. So now it is not complete. I have given little touches with my finger on the other portion of the crate also. So this is how it is going to look. But as I told you, I have made some holes in the crate, in the clay part, so we will be sticking some golden studs on that. So this is how you can use it. You can keep your lotions in that, you can keep your Fevicol, or you can put some flowers and decorate it with that, or whatever way you want. You can just keep it for decoration, or you can also add some nail polish. It is like, you can add some nail polish, some lipsticks, and make it a lipstick stand or a nail polish stand for your dressing table, for your vanity. Like, this is how you have to do it. So let me show you how I've stuck the studs to it. These are the studs all over the crate, and it looks very beautiful, and I'm very happy with the product. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Stay tuned for my next video, and if you haven't subscribed for my channel, then please do subscribe and take care of yourself. Before I say goodbye, I just wanted to show you a close-up that I have also added some jute thread. Till then, bye bye, take care.